Hi, I'm Michael. I'm from Luuxx, based in Leeds. So Luuxx has been going for 10 years, primarily all over the north of England. High-end residential is the vast majority of our work, and most of our projects are whole house, so everything from multi-room audio, media rooms, cinema rooms, lighting control, shading. Today we're in Cumbria in the north of the county, which is where Luuxx actually started. The brief from the client and his family had used us on their previous house, so we knew much of what they wanted, and it was mainly whole house audio was a big part of it. The client has 3 girls who love to sing and listen to music. Lighting control was a significant factor. So the whole house, which is about 10,000 square feet, had to have lighting control throughout. Some of the Habitech brands in this project is Sonance, which is the multi-room audio throughout, Wisdom in the cinema area and also in the living room, Lutron shading throughout the house, a lot of Ruckus throughout the house. We've used Sonance for years now. It gives us multiple choices, so we've got different Sonance speakers in different rooms, some of the Extreme series in the swimming pool. It gives us the option to have outdoor audio. So Sonance for us has always provided us with an answer to whatever system we need in a particular space. We chose Lutron for the shading because our view is it's the best on the market. We've used it on multiple projects and it's reliable, it's good quality. We had some interesting facts on this project that we've got 6.5 metre roller shades. Lutron were the only ones who could reliably do that. We also had some really long curtains. We felt it was important to get something reliable and also quiet, which we think Lutron is the quietest on the market. The Wisdom was chosen on this project actually by us. The client had never heard it before, and he asked our opinion in terms of what we thought was the best on the market. Wisdom gave us the ability to have a high performance, but actually quite cost-effective system. So the room we're in at the moment has effectively 2 different systems in it. At the back we've got the bar, which has got Sonance in ceilings, which is just a bit of an extension to the room if they're using it as an entertainment space. And in the cinema area, they've got a 5.1 Wisdom system, which consists of L8 eyes to the front and P2 eyes to the sides. The Wisdom system's been perfect for the clients. The clients aren't avid movie watchers, so something like Atmos wasn't particularly important to them. It was more important to have high quality speakers, particularly to the front channels with subs as well. So in the living room, we've got a Wisdom system as well. It's a 5.1 system using P2 eyes for all 5 channels and then an S10 sub. The clients use that as their main room if they're going to watch a movie rather than this space. So it was important for them to have a high quality system. That's one of the main areas where we've got Lutron shading, so all the curtains within that room are on Lutron. They can press a button on their phone or on the remote control and it'll close the curtains off for them. The technology products and the AV products in that room blend perfectly into what is probably the most interior design room in the house. The whole house has been led by an interior design company, so the shading had to be smooth and quiet. The speakers had to be discreet but work well, and they do that perfectly. The swimming pool is around about a 20 metre long pool, so quite a large space. Because audio was important to them, it was important that there was balanced audio throughout that space. Sonance was the clear choice for that room. We love Sonance, we use it on all our projects, and we know the Extremes last the test of time. There's a DSP amplifier on the back end, which allowed us to adjust it for that space, which is all hard surfaces. So for a room that's really difficult to get audio right, we were able to make it sound as good as it can. Within the whole house, which was about 10,000 square feet, this house is covered by 16 internal R35s, and Ruckus is our go-to brand. It works fantastically, and we also have the backing of Habitech, who help with their design service to make sure that when we install them that we've got the right amount and them in the right places, which was done for this project. The clients have been in the house now 6 to 9 months. Love it, love the system. This is the best system they've had, and that's in their own words. They use it regularly. Yeah, they've been really happy with it.